Hello, welcome everyone. Uh, Today I'm showing to you how to uh, enable auto accept code. Okay, code for Habitica. So I need to tell something about me. My English is not my native language. I am Sri Lankan one, so my English is not perfect, but you can understand it. So don't worry. First, you need to go to your Habitica account. Okay. Now I'm on my testing account. You can see this is my testing account. Okay. So now you can go first you need to know about uh, what is those scripts or codes. Okay, these script or codes are written by some of developers, and many contributors. So we should know what is this, how to get this code. So we don't want to write code. They are existed code have, uh, I'm using my link. Okay, I copy paste, enter, so I can get to Habitica wiki. I'm highlighting auto accept code quest. I put all the link in description, so you need to don't worry about it. This video I will show you how to uh, accept auto accept quest code enable. This is the code, huh? Okay, this is the code. It is pretty simple one, huh? This code or you can use this code. Okay, now I'm using first one, huh? It's quite simple one, I think. This is pretty nice code. Okay, then you need to go to this site. Okay, this site, script.google. I'm login. Wait, script script.google Google. I'm you need to type script.google, then will come these search related. So I'm using okay, this is my script, app script, who contributed from Google. Okay, now we need to follow this is instruction, step by step. Me from me, uh, I'm telling again, sorry about my English. I'm not perfect English man. English man, I can't talk better than you. So first you need to go add. Okay, add script. Okay, now you can see untitled project here. So you need to delete, highlight, and these code. This is first step. So you need delete it. Okay, delete it. Now you can go Google script code Habitica. This is the code. You use, you can use copy and paste, or you can use Control plus C to copy, and you can use Control plus V to paste it. So I'm using uh, copy, Control C. I'm using Control V to paste it. So this is the code. This is the code. Now this is not finished, huh? This is not well done. Now you can go your Habitica account and setting panel. Okay, then you can see API, and you can see your user ID. This is my user ID. Then you can copy it and you can paste it here. This is this. You also paste it these hashtags, okay, these hashtags like this. Okay. That's done. Then we put here our token. Okay, this is our token. This is the password. Okay, this is your Habitica password. So don't show anything. So don't tell her, don't show anyone this password. I'm showing you because this is my uh, testing account. Okay, now also you can copy or control plus V. Okay, this is done. Now it's done. uh, Now code is done. Then you can save project. Okay, uh, remember follow my instruction. You can, okay, now it's done. Okay. uh, now we can deploy it. Okay, now we can deploy. New deployment. uh, we select type. Select type as web app. Okay, web app. And we want new description. uh, I'm using description. uh, Auto accept quest. Okay, control V. Sorry. Control V. Okay, now sorry. Now you can select these me to me. Okay, who has access? Only myself? No, this is you must select anyone. Okay, you must select anyone and deploy. This taking some time. um, wait wait for one moment. And now you need to follow these authorized access. Okay, uh, okay, you need to select your Google account. Then we have this error message. Don't worry. Tap on advance. Okay, tap on advance. No, don't back to safely and continue if you want risk. uh, these are telling Google because these code are not secure code, but don't worry, these are not harmful your computer, not harmful your any sensitive data. So don't worry. Go to Untitled and select go to Untitled project unsafe. Okay, then we can see. Then we can see want to access your Google account. Then click allow. This is not an error. My error. This is not affect my video uh, because my Google account is not my real one. So this is one I may one I supposed to get temp mail. Okay, I think you should know about that. So don't worry about. I'm cancel it. uh, then you have link. Okay, then you have link. I'm repeating it. Sorry about that. I'm repeating this step because my link has not generated yet. Okay, this is the link. This is the link. If you got this link, uh, you can copy it. Oh, okay. You don't need to copy it. This is a single script. I'm sorry about that. That part does not exist. So you need to add triggers. Okay, you also need to add trigger because it is not running automatically. you need to add triggers. Okay, then you should follow these triggers these, and you need to add trigger. Okay, add trigger. You must use choose which function to run. Schedule to join quest, you select it. These head time driver, yes. Hourly timer, yes. Cause it's you can select it minutes or day, or don't select day, because our quest are every single 6 hours once. I we refresh our quest. So select hour and select hour interval and every hour. Okay. If failure notification, no, you can select notify me daily, and you can select add and notify me immediately. So save it. Okay, I save it. Okay, okay. Okay, we have some trigger. These are working now. So we can see our triggers are working. Okay, we can use wait, I can show real-time trigger. I edit it. I edit trigger, minute timer, and every minute. Okay. Now you can see real time is that trigger working. Okay. Executions. No trigger still found. We won't have to wait some minute. So I am going to edit, and I will run code this run. Okay, these are the this yellow marked execution started, execution completed. You if you see this, you done rightly. So you can follow this execution, and you use this is status completed, duration. This is second. Oh, now you can see trigger. You can see type. This is editor. Once I run manually, this is triggered. Okay, we set to 1 minute. So now 1 minute has gone and trigger will started. So you need it set to not an 1 minute. You need to set to hourly time and every hour, because this is uh, quest auto quest accept code. Okay, you don't need to trigger it every 1 minute. So uh, this is done, now done. You want to you want this is I'm in now my Habitica, and go to settings and API. Now you can see this webhooks. Okay, this is one of my now I'm doing one, and this is second one is previously I've been doing two one. These you can show this trigger webhooks URL. Okay, and I need to tell, once I once I get a link URL link. Okay, uh, you can remember deploy and new deployment, and once I got a URL, then if you want these step doing, you can follow copy and paste that URL link also here and add now, and tick enable. But you must do triggers. Okay, you must do your trigger enabled one. Okay, this is the end of uh, how to auto accept quest code. So many codes I have this. I'm using many codes auto. This is it's really helped to manage my Habitica account. I will put every link in description. So don't forget to subscribe me, and thumbs up if you like this video. Sorry again about my English talking. Uh, then goodbye. See you next video. Okay.